Dear friends, here we are with the third installment of this restoration, and if you have checked the previous, you know what exactly is going on. If not, go back and check them. In the previous installment, we ordered all the parts from AliExpress. We did the right thing, and it all came down to €50. And as you may be well aware, in this current world, 50 is the new 20. So, first thing we have to do is to check the parts against the parts list, and after that we have to check the fitment of the parts on the body. Bear with us. Here we are, some couple of weeks later, and we have the part list, and the parts have arrived from AliExpress, and let us check them against the list. Oh, yes. This is the string holder. Okay, string holder. Tailpiece. Okay. We have what we have here. We have pickup, one pickup. It should be another pickup. Okay, two pickups. Pickups are here. And these are the frets. We strike out the frets. Here it's jack plate, jack cover and jack. Okay, we have this one. Bridge, nice. This is on open. Pneumatic bridge on a ebony plate. Nice. Okay. Bridge. Here it is. Machine heads with all the needed parts. Machine heads, okay. And this is it. So, what we are missing? The trestle cover is a piece of plastic. We can find this. Not I have one in my stash. We'll check it out because I think we will use it. Fret markers. I have ordered them. I need some. I thought I had them in stock, but my mother of pearl is missing, so we ordered additionally. We're waiting for them. Scratch plate, piece of plastic that we will do later on. Selector galette switch, plus knob. Knob I might have in my stash. Selector guide switch I can find locally. Potentiometers locally. Plus knobs okay. Holders, belt holders. I think I have somewhere, but they are not important. The most important thing is to match the geometry. So for this we need the tailpiece, we need the bridge, and after that we will check what we do with the fretboard and the frets. But of course for fretboard we need the markers. Okay. Okay, so this is the list as it stays at the moment, and first thing we have to check is the geometry. So we need the tailpiece, the bridge, the machinings. Have many things to check. Up. And here is our guitar. This is the nut that I had in a stash. Okay. It's a bit loose. Let's check how exactly it will hold and stay together. But actually we have to make a finish on this guitar, and it will thicken some bits of the holes. So this is the holds in place. This will work out. This will definitely work out. Okay, I have no objections here. The bridge, we roughly placed it somewhere here. We have the nut, the fretboard that we have to place the frets on it, roughly like this. Hope it will stay, it's okay. And after that we need to place the tailpiece. Like this. No, it's dismantling itself. Oh, come on. I think we managed to salvage it, and it is. Here is the nut. It starts to look something like a guitar. Okay, we have the fretboard. We think about the scratch plate and the tailpiece. Got a problem. We have a problem. We have a big problem. Tailpiece is too big. Drama. We need a shorter tailpiece. Okay. We have to think about how we approach this thing. No, it's not okay. Bridge has to be here, and the body is just too short. The body is too short, or the tailpiece is too long. On a side note, we know we have a very big hole here. For the jack, let us just check the jack plate. You can cover the hole. Here's the jack plate. Some screws. Covering. Okay, and this is optimistic. At least some positive thing for this video, because the tailpiece is our main concern at the moment. It will come good. It will come good.
Fly through a troubled sky, up to a new and shining bright world.